Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel AGJ Geeks. We have been hearing about 5G quite often of late. What is 5G and why are people going after it? These all must be some questions that will be running through our head at the moment. Let's try to understand it and also check out its 5 amazing and outrageous possibilities. So, 5G networks are the next generation of mobile network connectivity, offering faster speeds and more reliable connections on smartphones and other devices than ever before. Combining cutting-edge network technology and the latest high-speed devices, 5G should offer connections that are multitudes faster than current hookups. With average download speeds of around 5 Gbps expected to be soon the norm. The networks are expected to supercharge Internet of Things technology, providing the infrastructure needed to carry huge amounts of data that allows for a smarter and more connected world. 5G networks have launched around the world with providers offering the connectivity tech across the US, UK and Australia as well as a variety of other countries around the world. Now that we understood 5G, let's look at its possibilities one by one in detail. The first one on the list is not very rare even today, but it's about to get bigger with 5G, video surveillance and analytics. Amid the rising concern for public safety and security, governments around the world at a federal and local level are pushing for better surveillance in a bid to make their towns, cities and suburbs safer. As a result, the demand for video surveillance through CCTV cameras have accelerated over the years. With advancements in technology and exponential growth in connected ecosystem, video surveillance systems have predominantly moved to IP-based network. This has resulted in a massive growth in video data traffic and in turn created the need for advanced network infrastructure, which can handle such monumental volume of transmission feeds from different sources. Video surveillance networks are initially deployed through wired infrastructure, predominantly over fiber optic cables due to requirement of higher bandwidth. However, fiber network installation requires high capital investment and has a coverage limitation, especially in remote locations. On the other hand, mobile wireless connectivity, particularly 4G LTE, is a superior alternative due to its extensive coverage, flexibility, and ease of deployment while installing video surveillance systems at a larger scale. However, as more cameras and recorders are increasingly getting connected to the internet and adoption of higher definition CCTV cameras continue to rise, 4G LTE networks are getting more congested and overburdened. The ongoing proliferation of 5G networks is helping to overcome these challenges as well as bringing in new opportunities for the development of video surveillance market. 5G network undoubtedly provides a reliable, higher bandwidth and low latency connectivity for remote video surveillance solutions as compared to its predecessor wireless networks as well as fiber-based network. 5G based CCTV cameras are wireless IP cameras capable of transmitting pictures, video and even audio signals over a 5G network. These cameras, when integrated with artificial intelligence capabilities, are helping in improving the efficiency of video surveillance systems. Initially, video surveillance systems used to be passive, where CCTV cameras were mainly used to stream live videos and enterprises used to refer to the stored video feeds only after the security breach had already occurred. No major efforts were made to analyze this vast video footage for detecting a potential security incident beforehand. 5G CCTV cameras leveraging artificial intelligence based solutions like face recognition, object recognition, event recognition, intelligent image processing, remote asset management, behavioral detection, and analytics are leading to the transformation of video surveillance into an active threat detection system. Along with AI, machine learning and deep learning algorithm can also be leveraged to develop advanced video analytics solutions and further improve the intelligence of video surveillance systems. The video analytics solutions are capable of detecting objects or events of interest by analyzing and monitoring live video streams or recorded images from the surveillance cameras. Jumping to the next one, smart stadiums. At the moment, the sports stadium is one of the most frustrating arenas within which we use our phones, as congested bandwidth and high latency means that even sending a simple text can be problematic for sports fans. However, that's all about to change with 5G technology, because 5G will provide the vast amount of bandwidth fans need to consume and share whatever content they like. 5G gives you much more capacity per hertz of spectrum, making it more cost effective for operators to provide capacity in a challenging place like a stadium. However, rather than the 5G technology simply allowing those fans to use their phones without any latency issues, it will open up new spectator experience and ways for the fans to become even more involved in the game. The faster speeds enabled by the 5G service means video flows from wireless 360-degree cameras located around the stadium can be uploaded at the speeds of up to 200 megabits per second. So fans will be able to gain access to instant replays from multiple angles through a dedicated app on their smartphones. 5G finally unlocks the full potential of immersive reality. The high bandwidth and low latency will enable the fan to be the curator of their own experience. This can range from graphical overlays and holographic replays to alternate commentary. This means that in a football stadium, it will be possible to see how fast Messi is running towards the goal in real time or how fierce Ronaldo's last shot on target was. With that, let's step into the automobile sector. Connected vehicles. Earlier, the car only gave information the driver could see. Now, thanks to 5G technology, the car will get information from the city before the driver sees it. A popular use case for connected vehicles is sharing braking data. Let's say you are driving a connected vehicle and connected cars ahead of you are unexpectedly coming to a stop. Being able to have your car anticipate a sudden stop would be a tremendous safety feature. The 5G connected car in a smart city can detect pedestrians, cyclists, other connected cars, and static obstacles. In this way, drivers will get predictive information to make faster, better decisions. Hardware like infrared cameras, sensors, and beacons are embedded into the infrastructure to communicate with this connected car. In the case of pedestrians, cameras connected to traffic lights detect the pedestrians. Information is sent to the 5G network, then back to the vehicle to alert the driver. In the case of cyclists, bikes, and other connected cars, because they are moving a bit faster, the added electronics to these vehicles and small electronic markers in the city infrastructure will do this job. Pedestrians, cyclists, and motorbike drivers account for almost half of all traffic related fatalities. Now, with 5G technology on the horizon, accidents could be reduced by 68% according to international 5G automotive associations. Well, guys, what will we do if our health betrays us? So, the next useful possibility we are going to discuss is e-health. Hospitals can use 5G to enhance care delivery, including e-health services. Guaranteed uplink speeds will allow ambulances to transfer critical data to hospitals so doctors can diagnose problems before patients arrive. Another huge benefit of 5G's low latency is that it supports remote surgeries. Beyond speed, the biggest benefit of 5G is its low latency, or the short lag time between a device pinging the network and getting a response. While not necessarily noticeable, there is a lag with 4G LTE. A 5G network virtually eliminates it, meaning a surgeon may not need to be in the same room as a patient in the future. A surgeon could use a VR headset and special glove to control a robot arm that would perform an actual operation in another location. The glove may be fitted with haptic feedback motors that buzzes when the surgeon touches the patient's organ, giving him the sensation that he is actually touching the body. Without the real-time 5G connection, the whole setup would be impossible. We also know that the healthcare industry in general generates massive amounts of data each day. A single patient can generate hundreds of gigabytes of data each day, from patient medical records to the large image files generated by MRE, CAT, or PET scans. Our 5G network means that these large files can be transmitted quickly between doctors and hospitals, reducing the time that would otherwise be needed to move them across often underpowered legacy wired networks used in these transfers. The reduction in time that 5G brings means more timely diagnostics, second opinions, treatment starts, and adjustments, since the medical data can be transmitted and consumed by doctors faster than ever before. In this day and age, it is very uncommon to see a person who hasn't yet tried online shopping. So in that sense, it would make the most sense. I am talking about real-time inventory management system. The following situation would have been encountered by everyone. We search online for the exact product we need for hours and probably days, and then when we finally set our eye on a single piece, a disastrous alert strikes our screen. Out of stock. The kind of agony that it sends down our spines is far beyond explanation. So what if we can see 5G as a solution to this? The manufactured products are transported from the factories to the warehouses first. The out of stock message that we receive is when the products at the warehouses are zero. So what if we can check at the factory directly for product? Yes, it is definitely going to be possible with the low latency of 5G, so that we won't see the dreaded out of stock message after the outbreak of 5G. This, even though isn't the most groundbreaking of innovations in the market, it will still fine-tune the user experience and will definitely improve customer satisfaction. So guys, that's all some of the amazing possibilities of 5G networks and technology. Hope you guys liked the content. Please feel free to like, comment and share the video. Also consider subscribing to the channel for more amazing tech related videos. I am also doing videos on C++ programming for beginners. Do check them out. The links will be given in the description. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.